YouTube's video editor is a powerful free video editor that allows you to trim goofs out of your videos, shorten videos, combine videos, create picture slideshows, and more. You can access the editor at www.youtube.com/editor, or you can click the upload button from anywhere in YouTube to access the editor. When I click the video editor option, I'm taken to the editor, which features a preview window, a timeline area with a video and audio track, and various tabs across the top. The video icon tab gives me access to all of the videos I have uploaded to YouTube, and I can use, combine, or edit any of these. The Creative Commons tab brings up thousands of searchable video clips that others have tagged with a Creative Commons license, meaning it is okay to add their video clips to my video editing projects. The Camera tab allows you to upload images from your computer to add to your project. The Music tab gives you access to copyright-free music for background tracks. The Transitions tab will allow you to add in transitions, and the Text tab allows us to add title or text segments. Let's start with the Text tab to add in a title for this video. I will choose the Slide Title option and click and drag this clip into the video portion of my timeline. A dialog window pops up, allowing me to enter my title and customize various elements of its appearance, including background and text colors and entrance effects. Click Done when you're finished. Now I'm ready to return to my Video tab to edit my rough screencast. I'll choose this SQ3R reading strategy video and drag and drop it onto my timeline. Even though I have selected this video to edit, my original video will remain unaffected on YouTube. When I'm done, I'll have this cleaned up edited version and my separate original version. If I choose to, I can delete the original and just keep the edited version, or I can simply mark the original private, so that others aren't visiting the wrong copy of this video. Now that I have two separate video segments, I am able to add in a transition. I can visit the Transition tab and choose my desired transition. Transitions can only be dropped in between video clips, and eligible areas will light up in blue. Simply drag and drop the transition to the area you like. Now I want to trim off a few seconds at the end of my video. I will use the Zoom tool to zoom out to locate the end of my video, or I can use the scroll bar along the bottom. To trim off the beginning or end of a video, simply click on the clip and hover over the black bar at the end of the clip. You'll notice a drag to trim option. I'm not sure exactly how much I want to trim off, so let me click on the timeline near the end of my video to bring up the playhead. The playhead will show me where I'm at in the video by showing it in the preview box. And if I click the play in the preview box, I can locate in my video the exact time I need to trim to. In this case, I want to trim back to about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now I will again click on my clip and drag back to 2:30 to remove the unwanted part of my video. Removing extra time at the beginning or end of a video is pretty easy using the trim tool, but if you want to remove a goof in the middle of your video, you will need to use the split tool. I'm going to use the playhead to find a section of my video where I made a mistake. I can use the preview window above to note the time right before my mistake and right after it. One tip when you're making a screencast is if you goof up, simply pause and then restate what you just said. When editing, you can remove that mistake. Here, I want to remove a mistake that happened at about 18 seconds. Essentially, I want to remove the current 18, 19, and 20 seconds of the segment, and I can use the split tool to accomplish this. After using the preview box to determine exactly where you want to split your clip, choose the scissors to access the split tool. Drag the red line to the time in the video right before you goofed, and then click. This makes a split, or separates your one long video into two separate sections, but it doesn't really delete anything. Now use the split tool again to make a split right after your goof. Once you've split or separated your goof from the good sections of your video, you can delete the goof by hitting delete on your keyboard or clicking the X to remove the clip. The goof is now gone from the video. You can also add in a split to make room for a picture or another video in the middle of yours. I have a nice graphic of SQ3R that I'd like to add to my video after I've mentioned the strategy, so I'll make another split. Now I can visit the camera tab to upload a picture from my computer. Once uploaded, I can drag it right into that area I created by adding a split. Splits separate the video into smaller sections, and anywhere you have a split between clips can be used to add in a picture or other video clips. When you play the video, it will play nice and smoothly over your splits. Now let's peek at the Effects tab. If you click on one of the video segments and choose Effects, you can adjust the brightness of that clip, make it black and white, add some visual effects, rotate it, or add a text overlay. Put a check mark in the Enable Text box, customize your text, and choose Done. Finally, you may choose to add in background music. Sometimes music can be distracting, but if you want to add it, simply visit the Music tab. Preview to find a track that you like and drag it into the audio or music track. You will want to adjust the volume so it does not overpower the narration in your video, and you also might want to trim the song back so that it is not longer than your video. Currently, you are limited to the copyright-free tracks that YouTube provides, and you can't upload your own music to use as background music for your videos. Once you're done editing your video, simply rename it and choose the blue Publish button. You'll get a message that your video is being processed. This can take several minutes, and you will be able to find your video by returning to your video manager, where you can see it and the original video. Whether you are polishing up some home videos or cleaning up a screencast, YouTube's video editor is a great free tool.